Hey, Chef Rich here with Welbilt. I'm at our corporate headquarters here in Newport Richey, Florida. Today I want to show you our fresh blender by Multiplex. We can make frappes, milkshakes, iced drinks, even smoothies, all in 2 minutes or less. Let me show you how it works. We have a 21-inch display here. I'm going to choose my favorite, frozen lemonade. I'm going to go for the strawberry. Choose small. It's telling us to put our cup inside. Place it here and hit start. There's a built-in 200-pound nugget ice maker, as well as refrigeration underneath to keep all the product fresh. We're going to blend this beverage in 2 minutes or less with our new EcoBlend Technology. Did I mention these are all natural beverages?